Hey guys, welcome to Tech and Talk. In today's video, we will unravel the mystery of SQL joins, and it's a fundamental concept in database management. I will break it down in a simple term so that everyone can understand. So what exactly are SQL joins? And well, they are a way to combine the data from two or more tables. In other words, they allow us to fetch related data from different tables in database. There are four main types of SQL joins and we will discuss each one in a simple terms. So what are they? They are inner join, left join, right join and full join. Here remember guys, left join and left outer join both are same. Similarly right join and right outer join also same. Full join or outer join also same. Interviewer may ask you question here what is the difference between them, but don't get confused. Let's start with inner join. It helps us retrieve only matching rows from both the tables. It's like finding common data between them. And what is the syntax for it? Select columns from table 1, inner join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. So guys, I will show you here how to join the multiple tables using a inner join. So let me walk you through these tables. So we are having an employee table, department table and job title. So here you can see the department ID is a primary key in department table. In employee table, I am having a employee ID as a primary key. In job title, job ID is a primary key. Here you can see the PK is mentioned. So it means it's a primary key. And in the employee table, I am having a department ID and the job ID, which both are foreign key. And here you can see employee means it's storing the employee related data, and in department table I am having a department ID and department name, and in job title I am having a job ID as well as the job title. So let's say I have to write a query in such a way that which employee is working in which department and having a which designation. So what will be my query here then? Then I will write it here. Let's say select star from dba.employee. Okay. I will make a alias here by using the as keyword. I am writing alias as a E for employee table, and I have to join it on which table, because I have to get the data of the employee and with the department. So let's say John Smith, having here you can see the department ID is 1. It means John Smith is working in IT department. Jendo is working in sales department. Here you can see the department ID is 2. It means it's working in sales department. And boss Johnson is working in again a IT department. So let for that I am writing a query. So here select star from dba.employee as E, inner join on which table I have to join it, dba.department, and on which column I have to join. So here you can see in the dba.employee I am having a department ID, and in department table I am using a department ID also here. So I have to join it on department ID from both the table. So here I will make a alias as D. So here I will give E dot department ID equal to D dot department ID. Now let me run this query. See here, we are getting all the record because we are using the star here. So, and we are getting which employee is working in which department. So John Smith is working in IT department, John Doe is working in sales department, Bob Johnson is working in IT department. But we want a designation from the job title, so we're storing the designation in job title table. So again I have to join it on one more table, right? So for that I will join on job title as I will declare it as a J on job ID is present in employee table. It means E dot job ID equal to J dot job ID. Let me run this query now. See, we're getting the record now, desired result. So which employee is working in which department? Let me modify it. Let's say I want a name, email of the employee, salary of the employee, and working in which department name, as well as title name. Means it's a job title name. You can use a as here also, like a job title or designation of the employee. Here also department name, that is correct. And here also you can use the J dot or some J dot. Here department means T dot. Salary, it's E dot. So it will take from this table. If it is repeated in both the table, that time it will be useful. Otherwise it will, when we are getting the conflict, that time only it will be useful that allies here. But make a practice of this by using the allies, always giving the allies. So you will get a desired result. See here, guys, then we're getting the John Smith is working in IT department and his designation is manager. Same here, John Doe is working in sales department and his designation is engineer. So we're we're using the inner join here. What will happen if I remove the inner? Does it give the same result? Let's see. See guys, the same result we are getting if I am removing the inner join. It means inner it is taking the by default when we are giving the only the join. So these things you can keep in mind because interviewer may ask you this question as well. When you are writing the inner join, one more thing you should keep in mind. So here when you are joining the employee table and on department table, so when you are thinking to join both the tables, so that time when in the on condition, so one should be your primary key, and so here the d dot department id means in department table department id is primary key. Here you can see, and e dot department id means employee table, it's a foreign key. See here, this is the employee and department id is a foreign key. Same for job title as well. So e dot job id, so in job id here is a foreign key, and in job title table job id is primary key. So always try to keep your join on primary key to foreign key relationship for a better and desired result. If you are joining it on the primary key, both side primary key, then you will not get a desired result. So this is the tip for this video. Moving on to left join, it allows to get all the rows from the left table and any matching rows from the right table. It's a way to keep the left table and supplement it with the information from the right. And what is the syntax here for left join? Select columns from table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 dot column name equal to table 2 dot column name. On the flip side, right join ensures that we get all the rows from the right table along with any matching rows from the left table. It's all about focusing on the right table's data. And what is the syntax here? Only we have to replace the left with the right here. Other syntax is same. Full join is like a reunion. It gives us all the rows from both the table, including those that don't have a match in other table. It's a complete picture. It's for to show the left join example, I am manipulating the existing record of the employee table as I am updating the record where department ID is 1, and I am intentionally updating the department ID as a null. Wherever the department ID is 1, then that time I am updating the record. Let me execute this query. Okay, two row is affected. Let me show you the employee record now. See here, only because this for John Smith now department ID I am giving it as a null. because let's say we are not aware about the department of the John Smith and the Bob Johnson. That is why we are giving the null. Let me execute this inner join query now. See guys, here we are getting the record now only one. So previously when we are using the inner join, that time we are getting the three results. But now because there is no data for the department ID, so you cannot, so that time only the matching record will get it here now. Now let me write the left join query. So I'm copy pasting it, and instead of join, I'm just adding here left, the same query, and with the left join. Let me execute this query. See here I'm getting again the three result, because here we are joining on dbo.employee, which is our first table, and second table is dbo.department. So which means dbo.employee is our left table. You can consider this is left table, and dbo.department is your right table. So it will prioritize dbo.employee as a highest priority, and that is why we are getting the three result here. Now I will show you in case of right join. Let me copy paste the same query for right join, and here I will replace left with the right. Here also I will replace. Let me execute this query now. See here, in case of left join, we are getting the three result, and the name, email, salary, we are getting all this because here it is giving the priority to the left table. It means here it is giving the priority to employee table, because db.employee is our first table. And here it will give the priority to second table, means db.department is our right table. So let me execute this query and let's see the difference here. See here we are getting these values as a null now. So let me execute all the queries so that you will get a exact difference between left join, right join, and the inner join. So this is inner join. I will execute all the queries together. So first is inner join, second is left join, and third is, see guys here, in case of inner join we are getting the only the matching record. In case of left join, we are getting the different result because it is giving you the left table as a highest priority. In case of right join, it is giving me the different result. So guys, try to understood the difference here. So guys, what if I want all the records from all the table, then I will use here. So I will copy paste this query again, and I will give the as a full join. So what it will do, it will take all the records from all the table, so including left, including right, and as well as the matching record. So full joins means matching as well as left as well as right. Here right joins means matching plus right table. Left join means left as well as the matching record. Inner join means only the matching record. So guys, try to understand the difference here between each joins. So let me show you the result for full join. See guys, here we're getting the result now as a 5 rows because two departments are null. So it is taking it is taking all the results from all the tables. Remember here guys, interviewer may confuse you between the right join, left join, full join. And one more thing here you should keep in mind. Let me copy all these queries, three queries, left join, right join, and full join. I'm copying it, and instead of left join, I'm giving it as a left outer join now. Here also left outer join, right outer join, right outer join. Here also I am giving the full outer join. So see guys, this is also giving me the same result which left join, right join, and full join queries are giving. So it means left join means left outer join, right join means right outer join, and full join means full outer join. So don't get confused here. Till now we have covered inner join, left join, right join, and full join. But before going to interview, you should be aware few tricky interview questions. So let's start with it. In case of left join, we have seen we are getting the record from left table as well as the matching record from both the table. But what if interviewer is asking you to get the record only from left table? So here we don't want a matching record from both the table. We want only the left table record. So let's see in SQL. For this case, we want a record only from left table. So here the trick is we have to skip the matching record. See here, this is our employee table, and here the Jane having a department ID is 2, and that 2 is here also it's a present. It means this is the matching record from both the tables. So we have to skip this record. So in case of left join, we are getting all the three values, but here we have to skip this row. So the trick here is what will be the query in this case. So I will use this query. I will copy paste this query, and I will just write where here you can give always if you want a left record, then here give the right table name D. So which is our right table here? Department. So here give the department ID is null. Let me execute this query. See guys, here we are getting only the record only from left table. So the matching record got eliminated here. So this is the answer for your question. So interviewer may ask you the same question in the interview. So just give the right table and is null. So it will skip the matching record. Here we want a record from right table instead of left. Here also we are skipping the matching record from both the table. This case is also similar to the previous case, but here the only difference is we want a record from right table. So let me copy the right join query. This query I will copy paste. Okay. And here we are considering the only two tables. So that is why I am removing the job title as it's not needed. Okay. This is also not needed. So here my left table is employee and right table is department. So here we want a record from right table. That is why what I will give here the left table name. When we want a record from right table, that time we are giving the left table name. So e dot department ID is null. Let me execute this query. See guys, here we are getting only the two values, and it is giving the highest priority to the right table. That is why the other values we are getting the null, and also it's keep the matching record, and we are getting the only values from the right table. Here, what if we want unmatching record from both the table? So let's say table A and table B. Here we don't want a matching record. So that case also we will see in SQL. I will show you how can we get the desired result for this case. For this case, we have to skip the matching record from both the tables. So guys, here we want these values, first row and third row, and here also we want the values from the department table. So what I will do here, I will copy paste this query for full join, and I will modify this query. See, we are not considering the job title, so I will remove that join. See guys, here we want a record from both the table and we have to skip the matching record. Then here you can give the both the table ID as a null. E dot department ID is null, and also you can give the D dot department ID. D dot department ID is null, and here you can use the OR operator. Remember to use the OR operator here to get the record from both the table. If you are using the AND, then it will give the wrong result. So use it here, OR operator. And let me execute this query. See here guys, we are getting the record from left table and these records are from right tables. So tip here to use the joins effectively, consider using a alias for table names. Double check your join condition and make a good use of indexes for better performance. Thank you for watching this video on SQL Joins, and I'm damn sure if you watch this video till the end then you will not have a single doubts on Join. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe and share it with others. Stay tuned for more exciting tech topics on Tech and Talk. Good luck, I will see you in the next video.